So guys, today's going to be a good day because today we're taking that hood and we're putting it on the RX7 and we're going to go attempt and try to get it registered. So wish us luck. We know we're shit. Yeah. Thanks for watching the Daily Drift. Hopefully the new hood that we're going to put on here is going to look a little bit better than this rusted, holy piece of, well, pretty much garbage. Whew, here we go. I just gotta figure out how to get this thing out of here. Thank God it's aluminum. Jesus.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Boy. So this is the hood that we made with, you know, the basically bullet hole rust in it. You know, it's just a little rusty, and my really dookie welded. I was supposed to, you know, spray paint this afterwards, but that just never happened. And then compared to this hood, which if you're familiar with it, it's a Turbo II hood, but it's really banged up down there. It's banged up in this corner. You can see where it's bent.
Do they know why it's banged?
This is all smashed. And what was that?
Did you ever mention why it's banged up?
I don't know if I have.
So, when we were going to get the roll cage put in the car, Kyle and my dad were kind of in a rush to put on the trailer, and it had this hood on it, but they forgot to tie it down. And going down the highway, it was fine. They had to drive, what, like 2 hours away? 2.5 hours?
Yeah, I was up past Austin.
Leander, right?
Something like that, yeah.
So 2.5 hours away, and then literally like 5 minutes from the shop, they just hear a thud. And it turns out that that hood contacted the windshield and the roof of the RX7, smashed the windshield, and then this hood got all banged up. Because it was pristine when we bought it, but now it's got a little bit of a bend right here. You can see it.
Yeah,
but,
it's not perfect.
But it's way better than that cowl.
Yeah, I think it's better than this.
So,
and the, well, the last time they told us that was too big and that it blocked our view, so they weren't going to pass it. But this is a lot smaller. But unfortunately, and I'm sure a lot of you Pierce are going to hate me, I'm going to have to cut it. So, yeah, that's what you get to watch now. Boy, I mean, you get the idea. You can see it's hitting right here on the carburetor, so we're going to have to cut a section of that out. But I think I can make it work. Okay, so we got the hood on. We got to cut for the carburetor because it doesn't quite fit 100%. You can see that the carb isn't exactly gonna fit, so we're gonna have to cut to make room so we can get the hood to fit all the way down, because right now we got a little bit of a gap. So Austin over here has a nice little trick.
Get you some Vaseline or grease or peanut butter or whatever. Get a nice little dollop of it. Put it right on the top there. Push it down a little bit. And now you got a wet spot.
Yeah, got a nice little grease spot so we know where the center of the carburetor is, and now we just got to measure and make our cuts. So it's been a little while, and I got a little antsy, and I already drilled a hole basically just to get the center of that, and now Austin's gonna measure it.
Are you sure you want that?
Yeah, we just need to know the overall length of this thing. Boom. What are we sitting at?
About 9 3/4 or so, yeah. About 4.5.
So now that we can see where the center point is, because that's the stud on the carburetor, we're just going to measure using that the center point. So we're going to do our 9.5, which that would make that 4 3/4. So now we got the general shape, and we're just going to make a slight cut. This is only temporary because eventually we're going to put a different insert here, and it's going to be even and it'll look good. But for right now, this is just to go past inspection. So we're going to take the hood off and go cut it.
Hey Kyle,
Yeah.
it's a sign. It's telling us to stop.
Why? Oh, it's a stop sign. Step one.
And I gotta round the corner.
Almost there. Well, it looks like we got it in. And I know it's not perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. I mean, the circle is not exactly 100% a circle, but it looks decent. And I like how it still kind of has a somewhat sleeper look to it. Like, you wouldn't own this if you knew. And the only reason it's something like this is because we still got to get this hood pin off.
Yeah, we're gonna go put some regular hood pins on, like what's on the Miata.
Old school. And then we should be good. And then we can go get it inspected. Fingers crossed. We'll see.
All right. To the parts store. So Kyle and I just went to the parts store, right? You got your oil change stuff for how much?
It's $120.
Jesus Christ. That's that diesel life for you. And I got me some new spark plugs because apparently once you tune the car, you have to put new ones in, just for safety's sake, I guess. But yeah, my spark plugs are only like $13. That makes me feel good. I thought it was gonna be a lot more, and I'm poor.
Yeah.
You over here, so $100 on oil change.
I mean, you know, I had to.
Yeah.
It's been like, I haven't changed my oil since I started school this semester, so yeah.
Probably about 6,000 miles.
Yeah, and considering I drive an hour there and back each day, it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad.
Off we go.
Joe Jangles.
What was that?
Jim Bob Joe Jangles.
Alright. Let's explain what we're doing. Oh.
We're grabbing wrenches and throwing shit.
Well, we went and got some food first. Just got back from the parts store. And now we're getting ready to drill some hoods. Set our hood pins down. Okay, so what we're doing is, these little guys were right here. They just clip in and clip out. So as you can see, there's already two pre-existing holes at the very front of the hood, which, here's one of our hood pins. They just barely don't fit. So we're gonna drill these holes out, put these on in there, then drill the hood.
Quick idea. What if we just put it through these holes?
Well, that just makes too much sense, Kyle.
I don't know, I'm just saying. Yes, sir. All right, so we got the little nipples on there, and we're just gonna go ahead and
Got some of that grease.
press them on.
Check out where it hits.
Uh-huh. And, well.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah,
One there.
there's one.
Oh,
There's
there.
one right there. I guess that's where we're drilling. And that's what we ended up with. I think it looks pretty good.
Gotta be like a normal car guy.
Yeah, no, do the cholo squat. Yeah, no, I think it looks pretty good though. I mean,
Damn B. He's still over here on our drill.
Is he still over here?
He's over here on this side. He's right there.
Oh, look at that little son of a bitch.
He's been flying around us the whole time.
Son of a bitch, now he's coming after the camera. My face.
Kyle does not like bees.
No, I do not. Where is this?
Is it still filming?
Yeah. Anyway, okay. So, yeah, I think it turned out pretty good.
We need to polish that up though.
Well, we're going to get like a black top one. He's coming on my back again. That sounded wrong. The stupid bee. But we're going to get a black top one of these, and it's going to actually say Holly instead of Edelbrock, so it'll blend in a little better. I just got to figure out how to get this little dimple here out.
Say a hammer.
Maybe. You think? You think we can fix that? Just pow. Smack it with a hammer?
Wouldn't suggest
You
it,
think?
but I think it could work.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
So if you guys didn't know, we got the Miata back. So we're gonna go take it for a little spin, eh?
Yeah.
Whoa. Howdy.
Legality is cool.
Oh, look at that fancy little sucker right there.
I ordered a AEM mounting plate. Cause that's dangerous. That's a sharp piece of metal.
Yeah, I gotta like
But,
watch my foot.
But I ordered an actual mounting plate. It's for an S2000, but we're gonna make it work and we're gonna bolt it to the firewall. It should be coming in the mail soon. It may already be there. I haven't checked. But yeah, for right now that's good.
Let's hit it. doesn't like cold starts right now, and for some reason, whenever we go to hit the throttle, like just off throttle, it like misses pretty bad. I don't know what it is.
Just died.
Here we go.
So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Watch me
Well, they did flat.
We won't stop. Got your feet both fly. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
Wow, that was weird.
What was that? It felt like we weren't going anywhere.
Well, I think I just blew off the wastegate actuator.
Oh.
But at the same token, my gauge for my temperature
Yes.
just went like that and then came back to where it was.
Maybe the sensor's unhooked. Yeah, something doesn't sound right.
Yeah, my wastegate actuator blew off.
Yeah, you're running really fast too.
Yeah, I need to put my wastegate actuator back on.
Got a little close.
You just tell me when.
Just give it a little pump. That's good, yo.
That was the hydro.
Nice. I bet. Let's just see if this is what it was. Let's just see.
It's gonna be popped off.
If I can get this off. It's like stuck in there. Dude, your hood's like pinned. We gotta like unwedge this.
Here, I got you. What you got?
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, look at that.
Feel how hot it is under there though?
It's really hot. And that right
the
there.
So it's leaking oil right
So
at the
that's
top.
the problem. Pop right off. The wood oil?
So
oh
the,
yeah,
it's,
you can
that's
see
the
it.
stats coming out of at the top right here. I need some crush washers, which I have.
Well, it's
And then-
also dripping out the side here where the bolt's missing.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Okay, that's expensive, and I'm a.
One day at a time.
Yeah.
It's all good. It's all good. Well, guys, you could say that we're back, and I really enjoyed getting this thing fixed. I hope you guys did too, and we'll be sure to see y'all in the next one.